All right, man. I think this is yours, right? All right, so I don't know if I have controls over this or not. I don't have the pin number. All right, so it wasn't the HDMI port itself. Apparently the capacitor on the opposite end went bad. Let's see if I can turn this off. Oh. Oh, I just turned it off. All right, let's see. I'm at 44 seconds. Let's see if I can do this. So I don't know. I really don't know if it was. It wasn't a botched job, but I don't know what happened. So anyway, I'm gonna show you this. Hopefully you'll be able to upload it. Okay, let's see. This phone. This is gonna be real hard to see, ain't it? All right, on this HDMI port, there is a little bitty, a microscopic capacitor right there where the bottom of my right there, and that apparently was bad. So give me about an hour, I'll be ready to go. Okay, I think your device is ready to pick up.